Airbus introduces the CityAirbus NextGen air taxi. Last year, Airbus scrapped two urban electric air taxi projects, CityAirbus and Vahana, but has continued to work on a different project. The company presented a new development, the CityAirbus NextGen air taxi with vertical takeoff and landing. As it turns out, NextGen's sleek design comes with underwhelming performance, which has been disappointing for the nascent form of urban transport. The 4-seat CityAirbus NextGen electric jet will fly up to 80 kilometers on a fully charged 60 kg lithium battery. The flight speed will not exceed 120 kilometers per hour. These characteristics are 2 to 3 times lower than those declared by developers of competing electric air taxis. On the other hand, one can expect that the French Airbus understands better than many startups that today it is possible to squeeze out of a near aviation technologies and soberly evaluates the possibilities of air taxi. The company promises to carry out the first flight of the prototype in 2023 and in 2025 hopes to complete the certification of the device to obtain a permit for commercial operation. However, the company itself will not operate the new type of transport and will only produce it. At the same time, there remains a chance that faster vehicles with greater payload and greater range are being developed behind the scenes at Airbus. If there are no such projects, then air taxi will remain bold projects far from reality for a long time. As the developing urban air mobility market begins to firm up, Airbus has unveiled plans for a new CityAirbus during the company's first Airbus Summit on pioneering sustainable aerospace. The entirely electric vehicle, which ushers in the next generation of CityAirbus, features fixed wings, a V-shaped tail, 8 electrically powered propellers as part of its uniquely developed distributed propulsion system. It can transport up to 4 persons in a zero-emission flight in a variety of applications. The CityAirbus is being designed to have an 80-kilometer range and a cruise speed of 120 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for missions in major cities. Citybus's sound levels are below 65 decibels during a flyover and below 70 decibels during landing, thanks to Airbus's considerable knowledge in noise-friendly designs. It is designed to maximize hover and cruise efficiently while avoiding the use of moving surfaces or parts tilting during transition. The CityAirbus NextGen complies with the most stringent certification requirements. CityAirbus's NextGen has been designed with simplicity in mind and will provide best-in-class economic performance in operations and support. Airbus has decades of experience in aircraft certification, as well as years of devoted research, innovation, to electric vertical takeoff and landing demonstrations, and development on sound technology across its production portfolio. The Vahana and CityAirbus demonstrations have completed 242 flight and ground tests in total, covering over 1,000 kilometers. Airbus has also conducted substantial subscale flight testing and wind tunnel studies, as well as utilizing its computing and modeling capabilities. The CityAirbus NextGen is now in the detailed design phase, with the prototype's first flight scheduled for 2023. Beyond the vehicle, Airbus is collaborating with cities residents, and partners to build the ecosystem that will allow this new operating environment to develop as a true service to society. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.